The management at Raja Permaisuri Bainun Hospital has denied viral claims that a local celebrity and her husband had jumped the queue to get the COVID-19 vaccination there. Its director, Dr Abdul Malek Osman, in a statement on Thursday, said the artist Datin Paduka Eina Azman and her husband were referred by a specialist as both had health and co-morbidities issues. He added that all patients referred to the vaccination center have undergone initial checks, which can only be obtained from government hospital specialist health clinics. Dr Abdul Malek also said the hospital only injects the vaccine to the referred patient and does not carry out assessments at the facility. As such, he said, the issue of cutting queue with regards to the couple who received their vaccines on May 25th does not arise. On Wednesday, screenshots of Eina's Instagram posts of her and her husband getting their vaccine went viral. Netizens questioned how both of them, who live in Selangor, were able to travel to Ipoh to get vaccinated. Eina's posts have since been deleted.